Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about miscellaneous problems in average. Let us begin with the first problem. The average age of ABC is 26 years. So age of A plus age of B plus age of C divided by 3 will be equal to 26 years. Next is, if average age of A and C is 29 years. So age of A plus age of C divided by 2 is equal to 29 years. Then what is the age of B? We have to find the value of B, that is age of B. From this equation we can write it as A plus B plus C is equal to 26 into 3, that is 78 years. Next, from this we can write A plus C is equal to 29 into 2, 58 years. So we have the value of A plus B plus C and we have the value of A plus C. If we subtract this two, we'll get the value of B. So age of B will be equal to 78 minus 58, 20 years. So answer for this problem will be 20 years. Let us move to the second problem. Average temperature of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is 38 degrees Celsius. So Monday's temperature plus Tuesday's temperature plus Wednesday's temperature plus Thursday's temperature divided by 4 will be equal to 38 degree Celsius. Next is, and that of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday is 40 degrees Celsius. So Tuesday's temperature plus Wednesday plus Thursday plus Friday divided by 4 will be equal to 40 degree Celsius. And they have also given the temperature of Monday as 30 degree Celsius. If the temperature on Monday was 30 degrees Celsius, then what will be the temperature on Friday? We have to find the temperature of Friday. See here, if we subtract this equation, that is equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 2 minus equation 1, what will we get? So Tuesday by 4, Wednesday by 4, Thursday by 4 is same. Tuesday by 4, Wednesday by 4, Thursday by 4. This common term will get cancelled. So remaining part will be Friday by 4 minus Monday by 4, which will be equal to 40 minus 38, 2 degree Celsius. So Friday's temperature minus Monday's temperature will be equal to 2 into 4, 8 degrees Celsius. We know that the value of Monday is 30 degrees Celsius. If value of Monday is 30 degrees Celsius, then value of Friday will be 30 plus 8, 38 degrees Celsius. So answer for this problem will be 38 degrees Celsius. Let us move to the third problem. A shopkeeper earns rupees 504 in 12 days. So 12 days earning for a shopkeeper is 504 rupees. And his average income for first 4 days is 40 rupees. So 4 days average income is 40 rupees. His average for remaining days is, so remaining days is 8 days, totally 12 days, 4 days in average has been given, so remaining will have 8 days. So we'll see remaining days income. So 4 days average is 40 rupees, so 4 days total income will be 40 into 4, 160 rupees. So remaining days income will be 344 rupees. So average for remaining days will be equal to remaining days income, that is 344 divided by remaining number of days 8. So answer will be 43 rupees per day. So average of remaining days will be 43 rupees. Let us see fourth problem. There are 35 students in a hostel. If number of students is increased by 7, the expense of mess were increased by 42 rupees per day, while average expenditure per head diminished by rupees 1. Original expenditure of the mess was, so here initially 35 students were in the hostel. So I am assuming my average expenditure per day as rupees X. Then my total expenditure will be equal to, totally 35 students are there, so 35 into X. Now newly 7 students were added to the mess. So number of students will be 42 students. Now the expenditure of the mess is increased by 42 rupees per day. So initially it is 35x. Now it is increased by 42 rupees. While the average expenditure is reduced by 1 rupee. Initially it is x. Now it is reduced by x minus 1. 1 reduced, so x minus 1. See here, number of candidates into average will be equal to my total expenditure. By rearranging this, we'll get 42x minus 35x will be equal to 42 plus 42. So 7x will be equal to 84. So value of x is 12. Here problem is original expenditure of mess. Original expenditure is expenditure for 35 students. The average expenditure is 12. So original expenditure will be, or total expenditure will be 35 into 12. Answer 420. Hope you all clear with averages. Thank you.